underneath the light, so we are making wonderful Divine Mercy pancakes that you can eat for breakfast or any time of the day. So before we begin our Divine Mercy pancakes, I just want to remind everyone that before you do any cooking, you have to make sure you wash your hands before any type of cooking or handling any food. So I wash my hands for 20 seconds at least. So I'm going to show you the ingredients for today. We're going to have pancakes. I made a homemade pancake, but you can also get a waffle, or you can even use a store-bought pancakes. And then I have blueberries that you can get fresh during this time of the year. And I have strawberries cut in two different ways. This one is cut into slivers, just like that. And another set of strawberries cut into heart shapes, just like that, by slicing it really thinly. And the last and the most favorite ingredient is whipped topping. So this is a whipped topping that you can get at the grocery store. So let's begin. First we have our pancake. And what we're going to do is I'm going to make a heart. Well, I cut a heart and I'm going to place the heart at the center of the pancake. So we have the heart at the very top and in the center. To decorate our pancake, we're going to get this whipped topping. When you're using this, make sure you shake it really well. And I'm going to make 2 rays. So watch what I do. There's 1 ray. 2 rays. I'm going to close that. Now I'm going to decorate. So this is where you can be very creative. So one side, I'm going to put strawberries to symbolize the blood of Jesus. If you remember in the Divine Mercy image, Jesus appeared to Saint Faustina with his heart coming out. One side was blood, and the other side was water. So I am just going to put these little slivers of strawberries coming down, just like so. Okay, on the other side, I have the blueberries that's going to symbolize our water. So I'm just putting blueberries right down the middle. So this is simple and easy. And look, you have your simple Divine Mercy pancakes.